What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here. We're going to use some polynomial long division to determine if 5x plus 8 is a factor of f of x right here. So what are we looking for in polynomial long division to determine if something's a factor or not? We can actually just look at our remainder. So if 5x plus 8 divides out nice and clean and we have a remainder of 0, then I know that 5x plus 8 is a factor of f of x. If I get any kind of remainder, anything but 0, it is not a factor of f of x. So let's set up our long division. This bad boy on the inside, that one on the outside. Let's do it. All right, now it's time to grab some colors, folks. We want some colors for this bad boy here because it's going to help us stay organized and know what the heck is going on. Hopefully, know what the heck is going on. So I'm going to look at my first term here and my first guy here. 5x cubed divided by 5x is going to give me x squared. I'm going to jot that down up top. All right, I'm dividing that out. This is the first result. Then I'm going to take that x squared, I'm going to multiply it to these two, and then write that below those two. So I'll have 5x cubed. Those guys will match up. And then x squared times 8 is going to give me 8x squared. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the yellows from the pinks above. I got a fancy little rhyme for you. We're going to draw a line. I'm going to change that sign, right? I'm going to distribute that subtraction, that negative through, so I don't forget about it in that second one. These two are going to cancel. They always will. Here, I'm going to get positive 25x squared. Now, next move, Snoop Dogg time. We're going to drop that 10x like it's hot dogs. Woo! All right. Now, I'm going to change colors again. We're going to go orange, all right? I'm going to take this first guy here, that 25x squared. I'm going to divide it by, that first guy right there. 25x squared divided by 5x gives me positive 5x. Now I'm going to do the same thing I did before. Multiply 5x to the 5x plus 8. I'm going to get 25x squared, and I'm going to get 40x. Now, it's time to subtract the orange from that yellow or green or whatever it is above. Draw my line, change that sign. Boom. These guys are going to cancel. They always will. If those don't cancel, you did something wrong. So go back, fix it. All right. Over here, I'm going to have negative 30x. Now, Snoop Dogg time. Drop it like it's hot dogs. Woo! Not hot dogs, but you know what I'm saying. All right. Going to change colors. I'm going to change colors one more time. Blue. Underline that bad boy. I'm dividing it by that one right there. So I'm going to get negative 6. Boom. Negative 6 multiplies to both of these. I'm going to get negative 30x. They match up, right? They always will. And then negative 6 times 8 is negative 48. So I can see right now, as I draw my line, change my sign, those cancel. They always will. But I am left with a positive 2 here, so I have a remainder. So my answer here is use it to determine if it's a factor, not a factor, right? It did not divide out clean. That is the answer to this problem. Now, some of you might be thinking, hey, man, I think there's another way to do this. Synthetic division will work. You may or may not know that yet. It's a little tricky to work with a fraction because you're going to have to deal with that with the 5x plus 8, but it is doable with synthetic as well as long division. This is the long division way. Not a factor because we have a remainder. If it was 0, it would be a factor, but any other number than 0, not a factor. That's it. That's dope. You guys are awesome. That was awesome. See you dogs later.